A hotel maid shared this trick with me, and it's amazing how simple it is. Now, I save money and always have a fresh toilet bowl. If you have laundry pods, you can do the same. Keep the plastic container from old toilet fresheners. Open it and rinse it thoroughly. Take a laundry pod that fits in the container without too much pressure. Avoid squeezing it, as the pod might burst and create a mess. Laundry pods have several key properties that make them a suitable replacement for traditional toilet cleaning tablets. They help keep the toilet bowl clean and fresh by releasing cleaning agents slowly over time. Use a sharp object, like a pin, to make a few small holes in the pod. This ensures the detergent releases gradually during flushing, providing a continuous cleaning effect. Place the container in the toilet bowl as you normally would when cleaning at home. Laundry pods work great as both fresheners and dirt controllers, and they will last a long time. With this hotel trick, your toilet will shine for a long time. This trick saves me when I forget to buy the right cleaning products. You only need ingredients that you are sure to always have at home. Pour 1 tablespoon of salt into a bowl. Salt acts as a natural cleaning agent that effectively removes deposits from various surfaces. Another ingredient is a tablespoon of washing powder. Any washing powder removes dirt and neutralizes bad odors. The last product is vinegar, which has antibacterial, antiviral, and antiseptic properties. Pour about 3 tablespoons and mix everything thoroughly. Pour 3/4 of the resulting mixture into the toilet bowl, then scrub the toilet thoroughly, brush from the inside. Apply the remaining mixture to the sponge, and clean all other parts of the toilet. In a few seconds, you have created a cleaner that is effective for use. With it, you have a clean, shiny, and fragrant toilet. Pour this into your shower head, and all the gunk will come out. You'll be shocked at how much can accumulate inside. When buying a new shower head, many people don't realize it needs to be thoroughly cleaned before use. Manufacturers usually don't mention this, but removing invisible residues and debris is crucial. Here's a simple method using ingredients you probably already have at home. One of the main ingredients in this special cleaning solution is lemon. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a pitcher. Then add a cup of dishwasher rinse aid to the lemon juice. The final ingredient is dish soap. Add about 2 pumps to the mixture. Stir it well and take it to the bathroom. Pour the mixture into the opening of your shower head. Finally, add another 2 pumps of dish soap directly into the shower head. Reattach it, and when ready, rinse it thoroughly with water. This will effectively clean out deposits, making the shower head safe to use. It'll look and work like new, showing just how much dirt and bacteria can build up inside. This pink liquid is a real miracle. Cleaning the house has never been so enjoyable. Take a glass jar and pour in 100 milliliters of alcohol. Then add 100 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide, which is commonly known as hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide acts as a disinfectant, while the alcohol helps evaporate moisture, preventing streaks. Next, add 1 tablespoon of dishwashing liquid. Finally, pour in 3 cups of water to dilute the solution. Transfer the mixture to a spray bottle. Gently shake the bottle to mix the ingredients thoroughly. This pink cleaner is excellent for tackling stubborn limescale in bathrooms. It works well on countertops, bathroom surfaces, and even glass. It provides effective cleaning while being gentle on surfaces. Apply shaving foam to the broom. Although it may seem strange, this trick is currently trending on the internet. It turns out that shaving foam has a brilliant application in the bathroom. Grab a regular broom, which you probably already have at home. Apply shaving foam to it on both sides, covering all the bristles. A broom prepared in this way will be a lifesaver for older individuals or those with spinal problems. Just flip it and spread the foam on the floor around the toilet. This is undoubtedly one of the poorest parts of the bathroom and often difficult to reach. This foam is like soapy foam with a higher content of potassium hydroxide, so it works excellently. Apply it generously, and the broom's bristles will distribute it even into the smallest crevices. Next, cover the toilet seat, bowl, and sides with foam. It will effectively deal with yellow stains and unpleasant odors. Leave it all for 15 minutes. After this time, rinse off the foam with warm water. Immediately, you'll see that the tiles and toilet shine. A pleasant fragrance will linger in the bathroom, lasting even for a few days after cleaning. The foam also cleans the grout without unnecessary scrubbing. Hydraulics, don't talk about it. Just 2 ingredients are enough to get rid of the annoying problem. Take a bar of ordinary soap. It should weigh around 150 grams. It's good if it has a pleasant scent. Grate it on a grater with large holes. Soap has many properties, but I'm sure you don't know about this one yet. This recipe is its secret function. After grating, soap flakes will be formed. They have strong cleansing and antibacterial properties. Transfer the grated soap to a pot. Measure out 150 milliliters of floor cleaning liquid. Pour it into the pot and mix everything. Turn on the heat and constantly stir until the soap melts. Make sure no lumps form. When a uniform mass is formed, remove the pot from the stove. Prepare a rectangular container. Line its bottom with plastic wrap. Do this carefully. Also, cover the sides of the container with the wrap. When the mixture cools slightly, pour it into the container. Leave it overnight. During this time, it will solidify and acquire extraordinary properties. Remove the bar from the box by pulling on the wrap. Then, using a knife, cut it into 1 centimeter strips. Transfer them to a plastic container and take them to the bathroom. These 2 ingredients, combined, have disinfecting, cleaning, and adhesive properties. This makes them self-adhesive cubes that clean the toilet. Just apply them to the bottom of the toilet bowl. They won't come off when flushing. Water causes them to release active foam, which cleans the toilet with every flush. Not only do they smell good, but they also disinfect the toilet. Thanks to them, the toilet shines with cleanliness all the time, not just on cleaning day. I clean the washing machine regularly. Dirt and limescale disappear. The washing machine is clean, and the laundry always smells fresh. Apply toothpaste to the inner glass of the door. Take half a lemon and spread the paste. Do this especially at the edges, where residue from water and detergents often accumulates. Once you've cleaned the entire glass, toss the lemon into the washing machine drum. Now, focus on the door seal in the washing machine. This is the area where most dirt accumulates and mold. Sprinkle this area with baking soda. It will remove dirt, mold spores, and eliminate unpleasant odors. After doing this, close the washing machine. Open the detergent drawer and spray it with vinegar, all compartments. Vinegar removes limescale, detergent, residue, and mold. If you clean the washing machine irregularly, mold will never appear. Close the drawer and run the washing machine on a standard program. Toothpaste, lemon, baking soda, and vinegar will clean the interior of the washing machine and eliminate deposits and limescale. These ingredients also eliminate mold spores, which may be responsible for the unpleasant odor coming from the washing machine. When the washing machine finishes, open it and remove the lemon. You'll immediately notice that the entire interior shines. Wipe it dry, and it will be cleaner than ever. The detergent drawer will also be cleaner. During the next laundry cycle, you'll notice that your clothes will smell wonderfully. You don't have to worry about the smell of mustiness and mold.